Okay, it's all swept off. That was about 2 years worth of stuff. I think it's been on 2 years. And it is dirty, but it's dirtier where where the sun's giving it the most shade. Or not the sun, the tree, I mean. So it kind of makes sense. And that's where most of the debris is coming down too. Stays pretty white where there's not much shade. So that's good, more reflectivity. The disadvantage of a white roof is it can get dirty, no question. The more trees you have around, the dirtier it's going to get. Is it affecting the roof? Otherwise, from what I can see, no. The only effect is the color, and it's usually where it's shadier, so the reflectivity is not as big a concern because you're not getting as much sun there anyways. Other than that, the integrity of the roof is not being affected. Its effectiveness. And so I'd say we're all good now. I'm glad I got the measurements. That'll help me decide on the next roof, which is a little bit less slope. Not much, but a little bit. So this gives me some information. And you can see the asphalt roof up there definitely gets stuff on it too from the tree. But again, whenever I go up there and take moss off, the roofing underneath is actually nicer looking than the other roofing. So it's almost as if it gives it protection, which kind of makes sense that it would protect it. The moss doesn't go into the roofing. It doesn't have root system that goes into the asphalt, but it does kind of overlay the asphalt. Maybe we can show you closer here. So in a way, maybe it's making the roof a greener roof. The wood shop has a lot on it. I've thought about going up and taking it off again, but then maybe that's to no advantage anyways because I didn't see it hurting anything. So color of a roof, moss growing on a roof, I'm not sure they have anything to do with the integrity of the roof. Probably more to do with trees around it. As far as integrity, I would check the attic and stuff like that because if water's coming through, you're going to see it there. Okay, we got our data, and that's my 2 cents on roofing. Let's move on to our next goal. Great looking red oak. Do have a couple bad limbs here. Hopefully they're going to rot and drop piece by piece. But if not, I think the roof will take it. I hope.